Hi everyone, I'm Rachel, and here at Rachel's Unique Crafts, we're always creating home decor for inside and outside of your home. We create DIYs and always decorating our homes, and I wanted to share a product with you, and these are rechargeable LED candles, tea lights, and they're packaged very well. So when they come in the package, they're packaged so that the wick, each one is in this plastic mold. So if it gets turned over, you know, in shipping, it's always an issue with things getting broken. These are packaged very well. In this case, it came 12 to a pack. They're wireless, rechargeable LED, flickering flame tea lights. They come with the chargers. It's a C port with a USB. So you plug it into your USB. You have a cell phone, iPad, a tablet, whatever. You can plug this in. You can charge 6 with the C port at one time. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge, and they last for about 40 hours. How awesome is that? And you're not repurchasing batteries every few weeks. You can just recharge them over and over. So it's got the little charger right here. You just plug it in, and you can charge 6 at one time. This had a dozen, so we have 2 chargers. I could charge all 12 at one time for 2 hours, and then for 40 hours, I have flickering flames. Isn't this amazing? Now, I'm gonna show some clips of how I would use these in my home. I am so impressed. I love the flickering flame candles. I love how they look realistic. And I love that I don't have to buy batteries anymore, because you can spend a small fortune in batteries. So let's get to decorating with our tea light LED. This is the warm light. That's my favorite. I like the warm light, so they look more realistic when they're the warm light. So let's get started. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. So all you have to do is go click on it and it'll take you straight to Amazon where you can purchase these tea lights and get them just in time for the holiday season, for fall, your Thanksgiving, Christmas. How wonderful. Even Valentine. How pretty. So click the link, check them out, and get yours ordered today. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye, y'all.